In a small village, there lived a stonecutter who toiled every day under the blazing sun, shaping rocks into blocks for buildings. Though his work was essential, he often envied the wealthy merchants, powerful rulers, and even the sun itself. One day, he thought, if I only were more powerful. Suddenly, a mystical voice granted his wish, and he became a wealthy merchant. At first, he was thrilled, but soon he realized merchants were still subjects to king's taxes, so he wished to be a king. As a king, he reveled in his newfound authority, but his happiness was short lived when he realized even kings could not escape the relentless heat of the sun. So he wished to become the sun. As the sun, he beamed with pride until a dark cloud blocked his light. Frustrated, he wished to be a mighty cloud, capable of covering even the sun. But as a cloud, he was helpless when the wind pushed him across the sky. He wished to become the wind, free and unstoppable. But then he encountered a mountain that stood immovable against his force. Awestruck, he wished to be a mountain. For a while, he felt invisible until he heard the faint sound of a chisel. A humble stonecutter was shaping him piece by piece. In that moment, he realized his true power was not in being something else but in embracing who he was. The stonecutter wished to return to his old life, grateful for his strength, resilience, and the unique impact of his work. From that day on, he worked with renewed passion, knowing that true fulfillment comes not from what we have, but from how we perceive it.